Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we will be doing the Master Vocab series level 2 revision 2, and this is the weekly schedule of the class and you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's begin with the today's session. Okay, so here are some words, okay, and there are 4 options given and you have to pick up the right option which clearly depicts its meaning. Okay, so what is the first word? It is hazardous. So what does it mean? The options are given here: dangerous, safe, eventful and determined. So hazardous means dangerous. Okay, the next word is stalwart and the options are young, strong, motionless and eager. So the right answer is strong. Next word is audacious. The options are risky, bold, audible and greedy. So the right option is bold. Next word is vestige. So the options are garment, vestry, trace and plant. So the right option will be trace. Next word is odious and the options are musical, fashionable, hateful and bad smelling. So the right option will be hateful. The next word is aversion and the options are rescue, dislike, change and accident. So the right option will be dislike. The next word is charging. So the options are amazement, pleasure, laughter and disappointment. So the right answer will be disappointment. The next word is provisional and the options are satisfactory, temporary, well paid and new. So the right answer will be temporary. The next word is ludicrous. So the options are loud, huge, laughable and playful. So the right answer will be laughable. The next word is glacial. The options are green, cold, icy and high. So the right word will be icy. Next word is furtive. So the options are rich, fur bearing, anxious and stealthily sly. So the right answer will be stealthily sly. Next word is torrid. The options are dry, ferocious, hot and arid and moderate. So the right answer will be hot and arid. The next word is latent. So the options are old, lost, small and potential. So the right answer will be lost. The next word is copious. So the options are abundant, thirsty, generous and kind. So the right answer will be abundant. The next word is craven and the options are thin, fat, cowardly and brave. So the right option will be cowardly. The next word is errant. So the options are stern, lively, wretched and downright. So the right answer will be downright. The next word is wrangle. The options are shout, stutter, quarrel and shake. So the right answer will be quarrel. The next word is vindictive. So the options are clever, revengeful, forgiving and noisy. So the right answer will be revengeful. The next word is rift and the options are break, cloud, storm and fall. So the right answer will be break. The next word is oblivious. The options are noticeable, deaf, hungry and unmindful. So the right answer will be unmindful. Okay. So moving on to the next exercise. So what does it say? Underline the italics word which gives the correct meaning for each of the following sentences. Okay. So there are 2 words and they are similar but their answer is a bit different. Okay. So we have to use the correct word and the appropriate word. Okay. So the first sentence is the shrewd mouse consumes an incredible or incredulous number of insects in a day. So the right answer will be incredulous. The next sentence is the policeman tried to elicit some response from the lost child. So the right option will be elicit. The next sentence is the old barn was infested or invested with rats. So the answer will be infested. The actor enjoyed transient and transit popularity. So the right option will be transient. The next sentence is, we admired the masterful or masterly way he handled the sailboat. So the right answer will be masterful. The child sometimes affects a lisp. So the right answer will be affects. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. It says match each word in column 1 with a suitable word in column 2. So this is column 1 and this is column 2. So we have to put the right word from the column 2 in the middle. Okay. Okay, so the word is tumultuous. So what can be tumultuous? It can be tumultuous welcome. Okay, the next is fallow. So fallow we use in respect of fields. So it will be here, it will be fields. Okay, next word is inestimable. So what can be inestimable? The value. Okay, the next word is infallible. So the what can be infallible? The remedy. Okay, so the next word is nominal. So what can be nominal? The fee can be nominal. Okay, next is plausible. So what can be plausible? The story can be plausible. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. This exercise, it says replace the words or expressions in italics by a word from lesson 4, 5 or 6. Okay, so I will underline the part for which you have to give the one word. Okay, so in the first sentence it is seize wrongfully. In the second sentence it is hard to catch. The third sentence it is uh, tell the difference. The fourth sentence it is sake of gain. The fifth it is famous person. The sixth sentence it is reduce as much as possible. In the seventh sentence it is refuse to believe. In eighth sentence it is write your signature. In ninth it is talk on the rules of polite behavior. In 10th it is in fact. In 11th it is occur at the same time, and in 12th it is judge. Okay, so we have to write the one word. Okay, so what does it say? Henry IV plotted to seize wrongfully the throne of his cousin Richard. Okay, so what can be the one word for it that we have read in lesson 4, 5 and 6? The word is usurp. Okay, in the second sentence the police found the bandit extremely hard to catch. So what will be the one word for hard to catch? It will be elusive. Okay, in the third sentence, in the semi darkness it was difficult to tell the difference between friend and foe. So what will be the one word? It will be discriminate. Okay, in the fourth sentence, his reasons for making his friends with us was entirely for the sake of gain. Okay, so the word here it will be invest. In the fifth sentence, Mozart became a famous person when he was only a child. So the one word for famous person we have studied is celebrity. Okay. Okay. In the sixth sentence, he tried to reduce as much as possible the importance of his opponent's success. So the one word here it will be minimize. Okay. Okay, the seventh sentence it says, do not refuse to believe his story until you are sure of the facts. Okay, so what will be the one word for refuse to believe? It will be incredulous. Okay, unless you write your signature on the check, the blank will not cash it. So the word here it will be endorse. Okay. The teacher sometimes gives us a talk on the rules of polite behavior. So what will be the one word? It will be etiquette. Okay. The next sentence, unless you isolate the sick cattle, they will infect the whole herd. So the one word for infect will be infest. Okay. I have not met you, cousin, because our visits here never occur at the same time. So the one word for occur at the same time is coincide. My father is a critical judge of old silver. So the one word here it will be connoisseur. Okay, so in this exercise E, what you have to do, fill in the blanks with the most suitable word from those listed below. Okay, so here it is written Hercules, who was one of the dash figures. So what kind of figure he was? He was legendary. Figures of Greek mythology sometimes fell into mortify fits of madness, during which he committed acts of violence. King Eurystheus told him that he could not commit such crimes with impunity. Okay, and ordered him to perform 12 laborious tasks, most of which dash a great deal of danger. So the word here it will be entail. The unfortunate man who was dashed by the thought of his past. So here it will be morose. Morose by the thought of his past. Dash attacked his labors with dash. So the word here it will be in equity. Attacked his labors with indomitable courage. Indomitable courage. On one occasion, he had to visit the dash region. He had to visit the nether regions to capture the monster Cerberus. At an other time, he underwent the dash of holding up the sky for the Atlas. So he underwent the ordeal. Okay, so we are done with the today's session. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.